Does your canvas have wrinkles? A lot of the dollar store canvases are not the best of quality, but they're somewhere to start and they're cheap enough and, you know, affordable. But if your dollar store canvas has wrinkles like this, where the canvas isn't tight, it's not taut on the wooden frame, there's an easy way of fixing that even after you've painted. For instance, I've got that on this painting that I did at Halloween, and I'll show you how you do that. I just add a little bit of water, make sure it gets under the wood, roll it around. You can do the whole canvas, but make sure you drain it all out. When it dries, it will be nice and tight on the frame again. I don't know if you can see this now, but it is, the wrinkle's gone. That's just where the paint was. When you're picking out canvases at the dollar store, look to make sure these joints at the back are flush and level. This one isn't, so this will always be there. And fix the corners of this one a little bit. You can always add more water. I added water to the whole thing. You can let it air dry and it'll tighten up as it dries, or you can cheat and use a blow dryer like I did. There, that tightened it up. You can do that for the whole back. And again, look for flush corners when you're purchasing these from the dollar store.